Hello. Today, we will learn how to connect VSC to your code server. Open VSC. Now, in the VSC extension tab, search FTP Simple Extension. Click on the Install button. After successful installation, press Fn plus F1 key on your keyboard. Click on the FTP Simple Config option. Now, to connect to your code server, you have to fill this config file. Replace the name to your liking. You will find the host details on the SFTP tab in the game panel of your code server. Copy the address and remove the SFTP and the ports while entering. Replace this with the port of SFTP address. Make the type SFTP instead of FTP. For the username, go back to the game panel and copy the username. Enter the same password you used to log in the game panel and hit Ctrl plus S to save. To access your files, press Fn plus F1 and click on FTP Simple Open option. As you can see, it is successfully connected to the code server. Let's try to open a file and check if it's working. In this way, you can edit the files of your code server using VSC. Comment down below if this video helped you. Like and subscribe to get notified every time we upload a tutorial.